This will be interesting. This place is called Mima Mounds. Now, nobody knows for sure how these things were created. Some say it was by giant gophers. You can believe that or not. Some say it was volcanic activity. You can believe that or not. And some say
it was aliens. T says it was aliens.
You could say that, or it was glacial deposits. So we'll take you, we'll show you, and you be the judge of what it is. This is the path up to the mounds. Very strange place. Very quizzical. Probably secret powers up here, don't you think?
Oh, but of course.
All right, we're getting close. As you can see, it's moundy. Well, could have been created by glacier ice, could have been created by earthquakes, could have been sediment, could have been caused by erosion. But I like this one the best. Pocket gophers.
There's a place I always run to when I feel scared and all alone, when I'm lost and need direction. There's a light that guides me home. It's you. It's you. There's a hope when I feel jaded. There's an answer to my why. Bright colors when life's faded, and sweet hello to sad goodbye.
Mounds are a strange place. In the early spring, there's wildflowers all over the place. Not so much right now. We're into middle of May. Beautiful out here.
Well, I need you like sun needs sky, like breath needs air, and can't needs try. An answered prayer, a dream come true. Well, everything, it's you.
They thought maybe these mounds were Indian burial mounds. And they actually dug through them and never found any artifacts. But in ancient times, glaciers came over this area. They were over a mile high. Can you imagine that? A mile high of ice. And then when they retreated, they left rocks all over the place. And we have plenty of those.
We have lots. We call them potato rocks.
Yeah. And so, could be glaciers that did this. One never knows. Still like the gophers. Or the aliens living underground.
It's you. sky, like breath needs air, and can't needs try an answered prayer.
Well, that was our walk today through the Mima Mounds. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I didn't. Did you? Well, we didn't know what made mounds.
No, I did not learn.
So,
I learned what a beautiful day every day could be.
more words of wisdom from Karen Marie.
One and only
So until next time, this is the Walton Adventure signing off.
Later.